So we didn't have an electric bill before because this is a fresh build for us. So we had no base on it. What was our average electric bill? Probably after we started, probably $1,200 a month.
Yeah.
With a high of $1,800 a month. Because we keep the clinic at 70 degrees, so the air conditioning was a large part of it. And since we've figured out ways to maximize it, we're down probably around $300 a month now is what our electric bill is.
And I can say that in our previous building, previous office, our electric bill ranged from $800 or $900 a month up to $1,300 or $1,400 a month. And we were there for 10.5 years, and that was always pretty stable. And we moved to a building twice as big, added a pool, added air conditioning, added a lot of things. And immediately, without any tweaking of it, our bill was about the same. So we were able to, double our size, add other amenities, and have the same bill for solar.